The time has come. It is now or never. I have to do this quickly since returning to my old hideout is really dangerous, but I had no choice this time. Alright, time to start loading it up. If this doesn't work out, I don't know what to do. This is our only hope, our only chance to get our lives back. Here goes nothing.
What took you so long? We have been fighting this thing for an hour already.
I know. Listen, you need to help me with this thing. We need to get it up to the highest floor. Tell everyone to distract it as long as they can.
Alright, I'm on it.
I'm in position, sir.
Do not shoot yet.
Understand, sir. Just talking to us?
How long will it take you?
I'm almost done. There you go. Everything is set. Now all we need to do is to time the launch and pray that it works.
This has to work.
Shoot that remote now.
Wait, what was that?
Damn it!
No.
Oh, my hand!
We have a problem up here. There is a sniper shooting at us.
The remote! Now! Fire it now before it's too late! Well, that's a lot of damage.
It's not over yet. We still have some work to do to undo the damage.